Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to Abdullah Patel English High School and DRT Junior College. Let's start by our subject English. As we have already started by our chapter 1.2 on saying please and completed by the explanation part and brainstorming activity also. We have left by A4, 5, 6 and 7. So today inshallah we are going to complete by this remaining activities. Let's start. A4, this is the part 6 of chapter. Now here the question is in your textbook page number 24. Edit the given paragraph using a and the wherever necessary. A and the is article, so appropriate article we have to write. So a paragraph has been given to you over here and the article is also written over here, so you have to select which is the correct one. So the question is Rakesh is an idle son. So what is the correct option? Rakesh is a idle son or Rakesh is an idle son who remains devoted to his father as he grows professionally to become the famous doctor. Now professionally to become a famous doctor or the famous doctor. Likewise you have to solve all the paragraph, full paragraph you have to do. So I have done for you. See, Rakesh is an idle son. The options were A or N. So you have to select between. So the correct option is N. Rakesh is an idle son who remains devoted to his father as he grows professionally to become the famous doctor. As his father grows old, he takes care to spend time with his father, bringing him tea in the morning. The options were A and the. So the morning and taking him out for a walk in the evening. Moving further to the second, spot the errors in each of the following sentences and correct the incorrect ones. Now the sentence has been given to you from A to J and there are some errors that you have to spot down in each sentence and correct the incorrect ones. So the first sentence is Radha brought pens and distributed them between her 5 children. So what is the error over here? Let's see. Radha brought pens and distributed between her 5 children. So there is no problem or there is problem. So the correct answer is Radha brought pen and distributed them among her 5 children. Between it won't come. Sentence will be distributed them among her 5 children. Second is Jayashree and Sujata sat beside each other in complete silence. The correct answer is Jayashree and Sujata sat beside each other in complete silence. Silence, as they are two, Jayashree and Sujata. Third, his best friend Vijay was blind within one eye. Within one eye or only one eye was, with one eye he was blind, right? So the correct answer is his best friend Vijay was blind with one eye. Next, one could dare to encroach on his rights. One could dare to encourage for his rights, or you can write none could dare to encourage on his right. Moving further, she was taken with surprise when she saw the famous Taj Mahal. The correct answer is she was taken by surprise when she saw the famous Taj Mahal. F. It is not possible to exchange the goods once the sale has been completed. The correct answer is it is not possible to exchange the good after the sale has been completed. G. Dr. Sen Gupta has been trying to master the craft for the last 5 years. The correct sentence will be Dr. Sen Gupta had been trying to master the craft for last 5 years, as the sentence is in our past tense. So here the helping verb will be had been trying, not has been trying. Moving further, the top ranking candidates will be appointed in senior jobs in banks. The top ranking candidates will be appointed to, or you can use for, senior jobs in banks. Next question, she knows very well what is expected from her, but she is unable to perform. She knows very well what is expected from her, for she is unable to perform. Next, they will put on a note in this regard for your consideration. They will put up a note in this regard for your consideration. I hope sentences are clear to you people. Moving further to our next question, that is, read the following sentence. Santosh purchased a computer. He read the operating manual and followed the instruction. As we are purchasing anything, we get the manual book and we read how to operate the system, right? So here the following thing has been, following instruction is given. He linked the monitor, keyboard and printer. Then what he done? He plugged in the main cable. Then he switched on the monitor at the back. Then when the light appeared on the screen, he placed the disk in drive A. Then he pushed in the disk until the button clicked out. In bracket C it has been written, it took about 30 seconds for the computer to load the program. Next, he pressed the drive button and the disk shot out. Next, he replaced the disk with the document disk. Last, he pressed function key 7. So this is the process. The instruction was given to him and he has followed. So further, what we have to do is convert these sentences into passive voice. We have to use passive voice by filling in the blanks. The first sentence has been done as an example to us. This is on page number 25 of our textbook. Firstly, the monitor, keyboard and printer were linked up. Then the dash was dash the monitor, dash at the back. So likewise, we have to fill in the blanks and we have to create a passive voice over here. So I've already done for you people. See, firstly the monitor, keyboard and printer were linked up. Then the main cable was plugged in. The monitor was switched on at the back. When the light appeared on the screen, the disk was placed in drive A. The disk was pushed in until the button was clicked out. It took the computer 30 seconds to load the program. The drive button was pressed and the disk shot out. The disk was replaced with document disk. Finally, the function key 7 was pressed. The word processor was then ready to use. I hope you people understood it. Take a screenshot to solve in your online assignment book. Okay, now moving further to our next question, that is A5. Write a speech on courtesy is the light of life with the help of the following point. I hope you people know what is courtesy, right? Yes, courtesy is the light of life. We have to show courtesy to people, maybe big, maybe poor, maybe rich, whatever. We have to show courtesy, that is the manners. So following, we have to use following point in our writing speech. People have a good impression of you. You will be acknowledged and appreciated by all if you show courtesy. You will be happier and contented with life. Contented means satisfied with your life if you are using courtesy for the people. So I have done the exercise over here. Just take as a helping hand and write in your own language, so as you will also know how to write a speech over here. See, this is the format. Courtesy is the light of life. This is the title. Starting by our speech, if we are courteous to other, people will courteous to us. Our courteous nature creates a good impression of ourselves on the people. Our courtesy is such an ornament which gives us a wide name and fame by which people acknowledge and appreciate us. Life is full of give and take. What we give others, the same we receive. If we behave politely, people will behave politely. Our courtesies, good nature, good temper will make us happy and contented throughout our life. Thus, courtesy is the light of life and everybody should practice it in our day-to-day life. I have included all the 3 points which has been asked us to use. I have taken help of all those 3 points. If you can do better, it will be good for you people to score good marks. Take a screenshot of this and write down in your book. If you are writing in your own points, that is much better. Moving further to our next question, that is A52, manners makes man. Expand the idea in your own words with proper example. Now the thing, what we have to remember over here, things to remember for writing expansion of idea. That is meaning of the proverb indirectly in first paragraph. Whatever the proverb is given to you, we have to expand the idea on that. So you have to write the meaning, what is the meaning of that particular, whatever has been asked to you, whatever the proverb has been asked to you. So that meaning you have to write in the first paragraph indirectly. Then you have to provide some examples or short story related to proverb in second paragraph. So expansion of idea is only of 2 paragraphs. First paragraph you will say the meaning of the proverb, and in the second paragraph you will give examples or short story related to that proverb. Is that clear with everyone? Expansion of idea. In our 11th standard we have done expansion of idea, so I hope there is no problem to anybody. Okay, moving further. See, the proverb manners make man means that politeness and good manners are essential to humanity. Manners means politeness and culture. Make means here to complete, perfect or create. Manners is the ornament of action and it's a basic grace of character like thank you, please, some of the golden words in any conversation. Humbleness is also a characteristic of good manner. So here this is the meaning of our proverb. Now the example. The best example we all know is from Mahabharata. Before the war, when Arjun went to consult the Lord Krishna, sat at the feet of the Lord Krishna, whereas Duryodhan took his seat at the head of the court of the Lord Krishna. Manners and ethics have lot of alikeness, but there is a small line of difference. Ethics defined as it is given as code of behavior according to the contemporary conventional norms within a society, while manners are modeled more by the habit forms in the childhood. Influence of parents in molding the child's nature and manner has a great importance. The child cannot help imitating what he sees. Everything is to him is a model of manners, of gesture, of speech, of habit, of character. More by saying the example set by his parents are good and a good company that a child learns good manners. Concluding paragraph. Moreover, from the lives of a great man, we get to learn their good manners too. So, more than saying manners make man, we can say that makes the manner. Man makes the manner. Thus, humans' manners are mirrors in which he shows his portrait. Take the clip of this and write down in your online assignment book. Now in a speech form also you can write, good morning one and all, respected teacher and all my dear friend. Today I am here to express my views on the topic manners make man. So what are manners? Manners refer to some value which we have been taught since our childhood. Without manners and morality, a human cannot be a complete human being. Manners are essential for a good character. So first paragraph, about manners. Second paragraph. For instance, the story of the bus conductor who once met a writer, Alfred George Gardner. The writer was traveling in the bus, and when the conductor came to him, he realized that he had forgotten his money at home. But the conductor, instead of taking him down from the bus, he asked him softly and said, "You give the money when we meet next time." Then the writer searched his pockets and got some coins and paid for the ticket. The story teaches us the value of good manners. The writer has mentioned this story in his own written work, On Saying Please, which teaches oneself the value of golden words like sorry, please, thank you, and many more. So, second paragraph deal with the story, a short story. Manners thus plays a significant role in a man's life. Good manners and well education teaches us the true value of humanity, generosity, and gratitude towards others. Last paragraph is the conclusion one. So, first paragraph deal with introduction or the meaning of the proverb. Second paragraph is the example or a short story, and the last 2 to 3 line you can write, that is the conclusion of overall. So here I have set the two example. One is related to Lord Krishna story, and second is about the same chapter on saying please. So two things is given to you. You can take any one and write. Moving further to our next question. Read A.G. Gardner's essay, The Open Window, and compare its theme with the essay on saying please. Here I have not given any answer to you people. You have to read these on internet, search The Open Window of A.G. Gardner, written by A.G. Gardner, and just see the theme. Match The Open Window and On Saying Please. This is homework for you people. I have not given answer for this question. Moving further, A6 2. Nothing clears up my spirits like a fine day. Keats. John Keats have said this sentence, given these thoughts. Collect the information of the poet Keats and write it in your notebook. This I have given to you people. See, John Keats was an English romantic poet. He was one of the main figure of the second generation of the romantic poets. Although his poems were not generally well received by critics during his lifetime, by the end of 19th century. After his death, he had become one of the most beloved English poets. The poetry of Keats is characterized by the heavily loaded sensualities. One of his best quotes, "Nothing clears up my spirit like a fine day." It explains that in his life, he lightened the spirit, he lightened his own task. His liveliness and fun was not a wasteful luxury but a sound investment. Okay, take a screenshot and write down in your online assignment book. Moving further to A7, read A.G. Gardner's A7 first one, that is soft skills. Soft skills are required in all walks of life, including careers and industries. They are increasingly becoming the essential skill of today's workforce. Soft skills, right, as our chapter deals with good manners, so that is the most important integral part of our life, right? So soft skills are an integral part of finding, attracting and retaining clients also. Highly developed presentation skill, networking abilities and ethics awareness can help you win new clients and gain more work. The following are considered the most important soft skills. So the skills has been given to you people in your textbook on page number 26. So nothing you have to do, just read once what are the skills that has been given to you. This you don't have to copy down in your book. Okay, and the second question is, following are the institution where you will get a courses related to soft skill. If you want to join such institution who are providing the skills, soft skills, so you can join, and jobs are also available over here. Okay, so customer service center, management school, hotel industry has been given to us. So soft skill, other soft skills are responsibility, interpersonal relations, flexibility or adaptability, communication, problem solving, work ethics. These are also included in soft skills. So just remember this. Do not copy in your online assignment book. Here we have completed by our chapter that is on saying please brainstorming activity also. In our next session, inshallah, we are going to see summary writing. Okay, so complete your online assignment book. Till then, a cute thank you to all of you for listening and completing your online assignment book. Stay at home, stay safe.